Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey. In today's video, I will discuss with you all about Java and BlueJ. Okay, what is the difference between Java and BlueJ? Are both same? No, they are different. What is the difference? What is the difference between Java and BlueJ? This is the icon for Java, this is the icon for BlueJ. Is this the difference? No. Yes, pictorially this may be the difference, but this is not the exact difference. Okay, now what is the difference? Let me tell you. Java is an object oriented programming language. Okay, what is the meaning of programming language? See, if I have to communicate with you all, I need a language. Yes or no? It can be English language, it can be Hindi, it can be Odia, or it can be some other language. Okay, so in order to transfer my thoughts to you all, I need a language. Okay, in a similar fashion, if we have to communicate with computer, then we need to write some instructions, and the instructions are written by learning some programming language. Example, you can write the instructions using C programming language or C++ programming language. So likewise, Java is also a programming language. What kind of programming language? Object oriented. Now, what is the meaning of object oriented? Gradually we will learn. Okay, so Java is an object oriented programming language. Then its founder is James Gosling. Okay, what is programming language? By learning programming language, we are able to write programs. Programs is group of instructions. So we write programs. Why do we write programs? We write programs to process data. For example, if my task is to add two numbers and display the result. Okay, so in order to do that, see, how many instructions do I need? The first instruction will be take first number in variable sum, take second number in second variable, add the two values of the variables and store in third variable, and display the value of the third variable. So 4 instructions are there. Yes or no? No, the data were the two numbers. In this case, the data were the two numbers. Clear, na? And what was the task? The task was to add the two numbers and display the result. So that program was meant for displaying the sum of two numbers. Is it clear? So we write programs or set of instructions to process data. Java. To work with Java, we need to download and install JDK. What is the full form of JDK? Java Development Kit in our computer system. Okay. If we are not downloading or installing JDK in our system, we won't be able to write Java programs. In order to write Java programs, get the output, okay, we need to download and install Java Development Kit. JDK comprises of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, the interpreter, okay, compiler, library classes, tools. So all these things will help us to write Java program, compile them, and get the output. Okay, we will discuss about this all in detail in some other videos. Okay, but all these items are required in order to write Java programs, compile them, execute them. Okay, now what is BlueJ? This is the icon for BlueJ, but what is BlueJ? It is an IDE, integrated development environment. Now it is just like an application, okay, which facilitates us to type Java programs. We can compile it and execute it, okay, and we can perform all kinds of editing operations while writing programs, or we can say while developing programs. Okay, say after installation of JDK, we can write the program using Notepad also. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, but BlueJ makes it easy for us to write Java programs. It provides us the environment where we can type Java program. We can edit the font size. Okay, because we can increase or decrease the font size as per our convenience. And BlueJ provides many tools, okay, which makes the process of writing program, compiling program, and getting the output easier. Clear, na? So Java is a different thing, BlueJ is a different thing. Java is the name of a programming language, and BlueJ is just an application which gives us the environment where we can write Java program, compile and execute them. I hope the things are getting clear. Then BlueJ is collaborated with JDK. Without installing JDK in our system, BlueJ won't work. Is this clear? So the very first task is to download and install JDK in our system, and then we can download and install BlueJ. Okay, without installing JDK, BlueJ will not work. Clear now? So BlueJ is collaborated with JDK means, see, if I will give you a pen, without ink, without that refill, what we say inside that, will you be able to write? No, you won't be able to write. But I will tell, yes, I have given you the pen. I have given you the pen, but that ink is not available within the pen. Okay, so you can say your pen is the BlueJ and ink is your JDK. Okay, without ink, pen will not work. Is this clear? So BlueJ is collaborated with JDK, and only then we can use BlueJ. Additions of Java. Let us talk about additions of Java. Okay, there are 3 additions of Java: JSE, JME, JEE. JSE stands for Java Standard Edition, JME stands for Java Micro Edition, and JEE stands for Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so in our case, we will be learning about JSE. I mean, we all are writing the programs using BlueJ, so all those programs are covered under JSE, that is Java Standard Edition. Okay, now what about Java Micro Edition? What about Java Enterprise Edition? Okay, what does this do? Let me tell you. See, Java Standard Edition is used for developing standalone applications. Sir, what is the meaning of standalone application? The application which will work on a particular computer only. Okay, in only one computer. So all those applications are called as standalone applications. Okay, JME, that is Java Micro Edition, is used for developing mobile or electronics applications. Okay, and JEE, that is Java Enterprise Edition, is used for developing web applications. I mean internet related web applications. Okay, internet related web applications. For example, your online banking. Okay, all these are developed. Okay, maximum banks websites are developed using JEE, that is Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so we all will be writing the programs using JSE, that is Java Standard Edition. Okay, clear? Then how to download Java, or we can say Java Development Kit. Okay, step number 1, connect your computer to the internet and then open any browser, example Google Chrome. Okay, in my case I will be using Google Chrome. Okay, and then step 3, type www.oracle.com in the URL box and press enter. Doing this, you will get the following page. Okay, step 4, scroll down the web page and you will get the option called Java SE 14 down. The latest version is Java SE. SE means Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition 14 download. But I will recommend not to download this. Okay, we will go for the previous versions. Okay, it is not required actually. You can see, then we have to click over this option and the Java SE 14 version will get downloaded. Now, how to download the previous versions, I will tell you. Okay, Java 8 will work. Okay, it will be fine for us. Even then, why am I telling you about this? Because being a teacher, it is my responsibility to make you aware about the latest version of Java and BlueJ. Clear, na? Yes, then how to download BlueJ? I will show it to you, don't worry. Connect your computer to the internet, open any browser, example Google Chrome, and then type www.bluej.org in the URL box and press enter. Doing this, you will get the following page. Okay, just scroll down the web page and select your operating system and download. Okay, note. You will have to note down 2 things. You can download the previous versions also. Before downloading, you have to check whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Then you have to download accordingly. Now, let me show it to you practically. First of all, let me check whether my system is a 64-bit system or 32-bit system. So, can you see this My Computer? In some computers, it is called as this PC. Okay, so both are same. Right click over it, go to Properties. Okay, when I move to Properties, here you can see, okay, it is 64-bit operating system. You can see system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay. Now, step number 1, connect your computer to internet. My laptop is already connected with internet. Okay. Now, let me use Google Chrome web browser. And then let me type here www.oracle, O-R-A-C-L-E, oracle.com, because the owner is Oracle company. Okay. The owner of JDK is Oracle company. So we need to type www.oracle.com. Now scroll it down. Can you see Java SE 14 download? This is the latest version. Java SE means Java Standard Edition 14. Let me click over it. Okay, you can see JDK download. Clear, JDK download. So here you will have to click. Since I have already downloaded, I will not download it. Clear. Now what about how to download the previous versions? Let me show it to you. If you want the previous versions, okay, open Google Chrome and type here JDK previous versions download. Okay, you need to type JDK previous versions download. You can see the very first URL, Oracle Java Archive. Click over it. Okay, here you can see Java SE from Java SE 5. SE means standard edition. I repeat, Java SE means Java standard edition. From 5th version to 14th version you will find here. Clear na? Okay. Now if I click on Java SE 6, but I recommend you all to download above 7. Okay. Java SE 8. You all download Java SE 8. That will be fine for you all. Okay, let me click Java SE 8. You can see Java SE Development Kit 8th version. Now you have to select your operating system. In my case, my operating system is Windows. Now here 2 options are there for Windows. Windows 32-bit. Now 32 is not written. Windows x86 means it is 32-bit and x64 means it is 64-bit. Okay, from here you can download. Since I've already downloaded, I will not download it. Now let me show it. Show that how to download BlueJ. Open Chrome and type here www.bluej.org. Okay, www.bluej.org. Here you will get the latest version of BlueJ. You can select your operating system from here. Okay, Windows. But what I recommend, please do not download and install the latest version, because I was not comfortable with this because it is very slow. Okay, what I prefer 3.0.7 will be fine. So is there any BlueJ now uses? Okay, download. Here you can see bottom, this one, download previous versions or source code. Download previous versions or source code. Let me click over at this option. Okay, 4.2.2, no, I want 3.0.7. 3.0.7 perhaps. Yes, I recommend you all to download 3.0.7. Okay, from here you can download the zip file. Clear na? For Windows 2000, this first one, BlueJ 307.msi, and then you can install it in your system. Okay, clear na? Now you can see after downloading, you will have to install it in your system. Okay, double click over it and you all know how to install. A wizard will open, a window will open. You need to click on next, and close. And you will have to keep patience because installation of JDK takes time. Okay, it may take 15 minutes or sometimes depending upon your computer, it may take 20 minutes also. But if your processor is fast, it will be completed within 10 minutes or 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. Now let me show it to you. Since I have already downloaded and installed, it will show in my system, and the versions which I am using is J. You can see Java 8 of 8, Java SE Development Kit 8. So 8 is fine. Okay, you can go for 14, but what is the problem? See, BlueJ is meant for students only. Okay, because Java Pro, it is not necessary that we will be writing Java programs only using BlueJ. Okay, you can see here Eclipse. Okay, this is also an IDE. You can use NetBeans. Okay, this is also an IDE. So not only BlueJ. Okay, where is BlueJ? Where is BlueJ? This one. So you can see, do I have Greenfoot? Yes, Greenfoot also. So you can see we can use these 4 IDEs to write Java programs, compile and execute them. We can use Greenfoot, we can use BlueJ, we can use NetBeans, we can use Eclipse shortcut. Okay, but ICSC or ISC has recommended BlueJ. Okay, because it is very interactive and it becomes very easy to understand the classes and objects creation. Clear? Okay, but it is not compulsory. It has not been made compulsory by ISC or ICSC to what? Use only Java. We can go for other IDEs, but since the recommendation is made for BlueJ, so I will teach you all Java programming using BlueJ IDE only. Clear? Yes, I was telling about why am I telling you to download 8th version. Where is the control panel? Yes, this one, 8th version. The reason is this is compatible with BlueJ. Okay, but the higher version of JDK are not compatible with BlueJ, so you will find some problem. Okay, and whatever is given in our syllabus, it can be done easily using this version also. Okay, but it should not be below 7. So I will recommend to download and install JDK 8 version. Okay, and then BlueJ. Let me show it to you. BlueJ. Yes, you can see BlueJ. I have used 3.0.7 version. Okay, 3.0.7 version. You all know the installation? Nothing. After downloading, just you need to double click over that and you will get a wizard. Wizard means a window, and there you need to click on next. Okay, and then if you will open BlueJ, you will get the screen like this. You will get the interface like this. Okay, let me delete this, remove. Yes, this is the interface where you can find, see how many tabs are there. Project tab, edit, tools, view, help. Okay, so in the beginning, you cannot create the class. Since I have already created a project, that's why these options are actively coming on my screen. But when you will install or download and install BlueJ and JDK for the first time in your system, these buttons will not be active. Okay, at that time you need to click on project and create a new project. Okay, now let me, yes, I have chosen, by default it is chosen F drive. Let it be F drive. Let me write here SMS projects, SMS Java projects, SMS Java projects. You can give any name as per your desire. SMS means St. Mary's School Java projects. And then let me click on create button. Okay, let me close this one. Yes, and maximize this one. Now you can see the project name was SMS Java project. It will appear on the top left side of your screen. I mean that window of BlueJ. Okay, this is the button to create a new class. Click over it. And the other way is go to edit and click on new class. And the third way is using shortcut key Control N, CTRL plus N. Okay, so these are the 3 ways using which we can create class in BlueJ. New class, give any name. Okay, double click over it. So this is the area where you will have to write Java programs. Okay, this is the area where you will have to write Java programs. Clear? This is the compile button. Let me write a very simple program. Public CLASS class demo. Public class demo. PUBLIC. Public. Control Shift I is the shortcut key to indent. See, when I write here PUBLIC. Okay, now how to indent it properly? Control Shift I. Okay, Control Shift I is the shortcut key to indent in BlueJ. So public static static void void main capital string string array space args. Now let me print a simple thing. System dot out dot println. Let me write here HELL. Okay, let me close the block of method, block of class. Now you can see this is the button for compile. No syntax error means your program is syntactically correct. If I make any mistake here, now it will show error. Okay, after compilation, it will show error. Okay, because the program is syntactically, there is a syntactical mistake within the program. Okay, that is why the compiler is what? Throwing an error. Now, if I make it correct, then compile. Okay, the shortcut key to compile is Control K. I hope the things are clear. So this was just the introduction, okay, about BlueJ and JDK. and how to download and install them. Okay, and how many editions are there. Thank you so much for watching this video.